Hey guys, so right now we're in but first, you're probably wondering, before we start the topic, you're probably wondering where I am right now, and I'm in the car with my family, so I don't know why I even recorded this, so whatever. I'm just enjoying drink of with my root beer. Right now, probably seeing it's dark, I don't know, stupid phone. Oh, what the hell? Reflection or whatever. So right now we're in a car and it's kind of dark. Probably wondering what I'm drinking right now. I'm drinking with beer. Well, how am I? Right now I'm pretty sure that we're still not here. I'm just gonna spend my time speaking to my phone or my viewers or my subscribers or whatever on my phone. So anyways guys, I think I don't have time my iPhone about to go back. So probably wondering if my mom and dad are speaking Tagalog because I'm Filipino. I'm Asian. So anyways, this is 21 Guns George Steven Santos. Goodbye. Please enjoy this footage. We're in a car. Yeah, those are the environmental idiots. Let's see him. Okay. Yeah, please enjoy this footage.